don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to my fans Zothu TV. It's the African Cup of Nations. South Africa 2, Angola 1. I'm joined by China.
Steve Njaya.
Sure,
Yeah. What a great game of football played by Bafana Bafana.
Yeah.
Yes, there are some things that we can look at. In terms of, I think as a country, besesilahla hope to Frosla.
Yeah.
And this goal I scored, which was a winning goal, I think it changed the way besimcabanga ngayo, because of sometimes we were more like Makgopa it's a local player. Frosla is playing in Europe, and then maybe Frosla is given more opportunity than our own very own Makgopa to our league, of which we believe that Frosla was not giving that what we want. Him scoring a winning goal, I think he changed the indlela ukuthi how we're going to look at him. I think that one is a bonus. That goal is not just a winning goal for the Bafana Bafana, it's also a winning goal for Frosla in order for us to believe in him. Otherwise besizalahla ithemba, otherwise besulahla ithawula. And umjito udlalile, although bathi ke man of the match, but I think Apolis played a very a good game today. And ukubuya ngene gamini, look at coach. Sometimes us as fans, as football lovers, we might have our own decision or our own perspective towards the game. However, I think coach ubenendlela ayibone ngayo game. Remember that Tina, as our fans, we look at our team, we look at our players. We don't go deep to the other team in Angola, which is Ikutika coach is to also check that team, opponent. So I think at this game, coach will check opponent. Tina si check game ngendlela edlalwa ngayo. I think ukugcina Frosla until last minutes of the game. Coach had a plan in Angola. And then another thing, yes, the corn is into esilele. With next game that maybe Masdala Egypt is only good Pambili, but when it comes to a break line, I Cochrane. So I think kunezinto kumele sizilungisile kakhulu, especially with our back line. Aubrey was not on the party today. Uzenzile mistake. Usithole, credit to the boy, man. Usithole udlalile, but I think a combination engakhange ngiyibone somehow. Umbule ku-10. Umbule, yes, he was there, but Umbule, I think we are Wakatala. He's a good player. We know that he is our own Shishi at the moment. But I think coaching a changes whereby maybe I introduce Urile ku 10, and then Maga introduce Urile ku 10, and then Ebegazadala more. Umoremi we change the game, but Begazadala ngenyindlela. But coach, I think I'm a substitution game. Maybe we are our reserve because of Begaiboni game could approach njani, and Begaiboni Guti game was not that difficult for Bafana, but Angola, I think Yona is a tough time. As now, Egypt iyalidwa Zimbabwe, which I wish for ukuthi ngayidraw. Masesihlala ne-Egypt Friday, Egypt by under pressure, very under pressure masesihlala nayo, and singakhona ukuthi siyishaya. Egypt kulula ukuyishaya, and another team eyobanzima kuthina, I think it will by Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe can play a draw, but if ever we're able now to win this game, and then going forward it will be easy for us. But I think this is gonna be one of the hardest AFCONs for us, of which somehow is Nigeza nenyindlela looking at the World Cup. Who are the players Samanazo to World Cup? Where are we? Where do we need to fix things? So I think in an overall thing is that igame namhlanje isibonisile ukuthi if ever siyadlula kule group kumele ucoach naye somehow ayenza ama changes wakhe ngesikhathi, and then awakhona ukunotice ama player ukuthi these players noko sebakhathele. But now we can't judge a coach nge first game, and we can't judge a coach singayazi ukuthi iplan yakhe yokuya phambili, because of I believe that the whole technical team iyonke istadishile Angola. And Masengizovala Skibo, this one is going to South African football fans. It's an embarrassment what is happening to us as fans, whereby we are divided the way we are divided. I don't like how we are divided. Look at sibukisana sodwa. Skibo, I don't want to be political, but ngicela ukusho ukuthi siyilendlu yediski. We still have indlela kumele sihambile, and unlike rugby, look at how we're united with rugby. Why can't we rally behind these boys? Why can't we be united as football lovers? I think football in a politics more than a rugby. And if football iyayibulala thina iyabukisana ngathi as abathandi bebhola that these players are from this team. I call all the fans who support ama-fans wethu TV. This is a national team. Umoya wami uphansi uyangazi ngiloko nginophewe phezulu kodwa ngiyabacenga mani ukuthi at this time don't look at it ngendlela ethize, but look at it in a term of in a way of ukuthi thina why thina as eyethu into izobukisana ngayo. Why abanye abantu? We've seen this, Schibo. We've seen rugby. We've seen players from certain teams zidlalela rugby. We've seen Springbok with more players from other teams, but we never had any problem with that. But why us now? Why kubukisana ngathi? Why kusenziwa so? Which is what needs to happen now. Ibafana Bafana need to win. It's a must-win game because of if Bafana Bafana win, what I like about it, South Africans, they support progress.
True.
That's what the boys need to know. If ever the boys will feel like the country is not behind us or something or anything, wait until these boys, they go to last 16. We've seen that when they were playing against Cape Verde. We were all behind these boys. We've seen that when they were playing against France in World Cup 2010. We were all behind them. So, Tina, the problem here to as South Africans, as South African football lovers, we support masesibona ukuthi lento ikule level ekuyona or yaphambili. We've seen the last time Williams ebamba ama penalty how everyone was behind Bafana team. So I think we need to start that early, and we need to. It's a call to all the South African football fans that let's not divide the boys. Let's not divide the country. It's now time to be united. I think kuka understanding nebhola because of vision of football kwabayiqalayo was to make sure ukuthi it unites us. Let's be united. Let's rally behind the balls. Schibo Njayam, all the best to the boys. We wish them ukuthi baye kwi knockout round. We're still behind them. Congratulations, my gents. We are behind you in the country.
Thank you, China. Quality.